What do you predict will happen to this beach if high winds and heavy rain from a hurricane slam into it? Choose each picture to find out more. The beach looks quiet now, but a hurricane is on the way. Hurricanes form over warm water in the ocean. As the storm gets close to land, it brings strong winds and heavy rain. The winds cause large, fast-moving waves to form that crash into the beach. Wind, large waves, and heavy rain have moved sand to new places. If the hurricane moves onto land, it can uproot trees, cause flooding, and blow sand into places it does not belong. Hurricanes usually only last a few days, so these changes happen quickly. A hurricane is a tropical storm with powerful winds and heavy rain. Which picture shows how a hurricane caused changes to the beach?
We will answer a similar question in our Google form.
How can floods cause changes to Earth's surface? Play the video to find out.
Floods start quickly and often with little warning. The water might build up in just a few hours or days. The floodwaters will eventually recede or go back. What changes do you see here? A flood can knock down trees and bushes or wash away lots of land. It can bury huge areas with mud or silt.
A flood happens when a huge amount of water overflows or soaks an area that is usually dry. What takes place during a flood? Put the pictures in the correct order to show what happens.
We will answer a similar question in our Google form.
You have explored how water can cause Earth's surface to change quickly. What changes do floods cause on Earth's surface? Let's build a model to find out more about how that happens.